sorry, sir. But whatever may be the problem, don't forget to appreciate life. Life should always give you reasons to smile.
Do you say life?
Yes, sir.
Do you appreciate what you don't have? Fine. Then go back to your seat. Why are you doing this? I'm doing it for love. When trust is important in your life, then life can be appreciated and filled with hope. Have you eaten?
Come on, are you busy? Talk to me.
Not really.
Anyways, I want to eat fish pepper soup.
Okay, no problem.
So, when are you coming home?
Okay, no problem. I'll see you in a jiffy.
Alright, babe, I'm waiting for you.
Take care of yourself, huh? Hello, madam.
Customer.
How you doing?
Fine.
How do you sell your fish?
This one 1.5, this one 2,000.
This one 1.5.
No, since the size now very big.
Hey, you're here.
Honestly, I forgot it's weekend.
No, it's not weekend. Just that today is a very special day for my angel.
It's today my birthday. I'm confused.
You see, I want to rush to the market and get some food stuffs. So I want to prepare a very delicious meal for you.
You want to prepare a delicious meal for me? I'm confused.
Don't tell me that my baby has a phobia for surprises.
No, not that.
What?
Well, I can't wait for this surprise page to unfold.
I'll see you soon.
Alright. Let me help you.
No, baby, no.
I want to help you.
No, don't worry, don't bother yourself, okay? You don't want to stress yourself at all. Do it all myself.
Honestly, you're spoiling me. Are you expecting anyone?
Seriously.
Seriously.
Okay, what's your problem?
Bros, Alpha. I said my door on one time.
Sorry, don't mind me, it's just office work.
Oh, okay.
Just stress. Just kill one for me, the big one.
I don't get it.
You don't get what? Since when did you start beating Sonny like that?
Today.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Because obviously this is not my husband.
So because I beat Sonny now means that something is wrong with me? Is that what you're saying?
What's all this? What happened to him at the office?
Honestly, Dave, the way you're handling this situation is not fair at all. I told you earlier that the fact you are HIV positive does not mean that you cannot live a normal positive life like others. Millions of people, Dave, millions of people with HIV that died were never killed by the virus. Rather, their thought and mindset stole away this beautiful life from them, accusing the virus. Oh yes.
You know, preaching is the easiest thing on earth. Dr. Fred, I never expected any other thing contrary to what you just said. You are my friend, my very good friend. And I know you will always wish me well.
What happened to that, my good friend Dave? Dave, you always told me that nothing in life is a mistake. Have you forgotten how you changed my perception of life? Do not forget how strong you built my faith and belief on life. Don't forget that.
If wishes were horses, niggas would ride. I wish this phase of my life never existed.
And now that it exists, what next?
There are some certain things I cannot compromise, my guy. How do you expect me to let go of my own child? Taking my friend as his wife. Listen, have you ever tried putting yourself in my shoes? It's high time to let the cat out of the basket. I am tired of caging this innocent cat. Do not say I never want. The choice is yours. Trust. Trust is really a double-edged sword, notwithstanding. A nice man is a weak man. It's not a mistake that you're my friend, Sylvia. I'm looking forward on you seeing tomorrow of this whole thing.
Ewo, afternoon, my dear, how are you? Hey!
Mama Jennifer has been sick for some months now, and she refused to go to the hospital.
The devil is a liar. Hey!
Mama, she even refused to talk to anybody. She has not spoken a word for over a month now. Hey. What? Let me go and get her back. Go from the car. What happened? Jennifer! 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 What happened? Jennifer! 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 Oh my God! Jennifer! 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 If only one can return the hands of the clock, then life will be a thing of no regrets. What I can tell is why life has kept on patronizing me by refusing to depart from me.
If the mountain does not go to Mohammed, Mohammed will be left with no option than to visit the almighty mountain. Why don't you let it out? See, Dave, why are you always making it look like I'm offending you? I am not asking for your wife. All I ask of is my baby. And that's it.
Serial. See, the greatest quality of a real man is to talk less. I never knew you as a talkative. When did you start ranting like a woman?
David, you will regret this. You will definitely regret this.
Nothing on earth is worth regretting. Because nothing in life is a coincidence.
Serious?
Okay. Laura, how are
So what's going on? What's going on? What's happening to my husband? Siri! What's the reason for this meeting?
Have you ever thought of how you got pregnant?
I don't understand.
Laura, have you ever made love to your husband?
Excuse me, how is that your business?
Maybe you two see your doctor for a DNA test.
To a tree, so you better start talking. David, who is the father of my unborn child? Who is the father of this child? Whose child am I carrying in my womb? Who's child? Stop talking!
Do you realize that you've been shouting at me?
Oh, please, don't even try to cover up. Answer my question. Whose child is in my womb?
When you're back to your senses, then we can talk like husband and wife.
Well, get it at the back of your mind that first thing tomorrow morning we are going for a DNA test. Where have I gone wrong? What have I done to deserve this? How come? Who did? Oh my God. Baby, this is beautiful.
Glad you like it.
I love it.
You know, this is where we're going to spend the rest of our lives. With our kids.
You, me, and our kids.
Exactly.
Come on.
Like I said before, I want to give my virginity, my pride to my husband on our wedding night. Please, babe, just wait. Be patient for me, please.
Why not? Wait.
Thank you.
You know what? You heard something delicious.
Can you cook?
Is it fun? I'm not surprised.
Okay.
So let's go in.
Why then did he refuse us from doing it on our wedding night? Why reject the gift I promised to give to him? Did I really take the wrong decision? But wait a minute. What brought cereal to the house on that day?
No, don't worry. Don't bother yourself, okay? I don't want you to stress yourself at all. Don't yourself.
Honestly, you're spoiling me. Are you expecting anyone?
Seriously.
Cereal.
Okay, I'll put you up.
So serious. Haven't I been playing the part of a good wife? To you, my husband? Haven't I? Really? So, you even know? Do you even know it's a heartbreaking discussion? Tell me. That fateful night, believing was the only time I've ever felt different as a woman. The night you prepared dinner, your best friend Cyril came visiting. What for? What was he here for? Why was Cyril here?
your eyes. The guilt in your face. It's so glaring. It's getting clearer. And I pray to find the answers I seek.
Cyril, for years that I've known you both, you've been best of friends. Why now?
Fred, are you actually bringing yourself into this matter? Fred, have you ever tried putting yourself in my shoes?
Shutting the doors of that family's happiness would be of no good to you.
Neither am I planning to break any home, Dr. Fred. All I ask for is my child. And it's high time I let that woman know who is the father of the baby in her womb.
That is wickedness, Cyril.
Your thoughts, Fred.
Cyril, need I remind you that what goes around definitely will come around?
Oh, that man. You see, Fred, I have known that man right from when I was a child. That should be my days in salvation. So I'm aware. I know.
Very well then. I believe you saw the queue at the reception when you came in. The next person on the line will love to see you.
Interesting. I'll leave. Dr. Fred.
You choose to trust. That day, you acquire a space of land where your grave will be dug.
Why is no one talking to me? About everything. What's happening? What's going on?
And what do you think is?
Oh, please, Doc. Just stop the pretense. Stop the pretense and stop acting like you don't know. Who got me pregnant? Who got me pregnant? I need to know because... Doc, you know the importance of a man making love to his wife when she's pregnant. Sincerely speaking, Dave and I have never made love since I got pregnant. We've never played as husband and wife. How can you explain that? Like you don't know?
What has happened?
You know what, Doc? I want to run a DNA test.
A DNA test?
Yes.
For what?
I need to clear my doubts.
Very well then. Let me.
Oh no, please. That won't be necessary.
I am your family doctor.
Not in all cases.
Listen, Laura. I am being paid every month for this service. Let me carry out my responsibility.
And I'm not complaining. Have a nice day, Doc. About everything. What's happening? What's going on?
What do you think is?
Oh, please, Doc. Just stop the pretense. Stop the pretense and stop acting like you don't know. Who got me pregnant? Who got me pregnant? I need to know because... George, you know the importance of a man making love to his wife when she's pregnant. Sincerely speaking, Dave and I have never made love since I got pregnant. We've never played as husband and wife. How can you explain that? Like you don't know?
I tried my best to make you enjoy it.
Let me go to you.
Sorry. Okay, you know what? I prepared a wonderful meal, a wonderful breakfast for you. It's already served at the dining. Okay? When you finish cleaning up there, you come to the dining, okay?
What has happened?
You know what, Doc? I want to run a DNA test.
A DNA test?
Yes.
For what?
I need to clear my doubts.
Very well then. Let me.
Oh no, please. That won't be necessary. What? Baby! Baby! What have you done to yourself? Since when did you start taking hard drugs? Baby! Baby! Come on, wake up! Baby! 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 Baby, come on, wake up! Wake up! Baby, wake up! Baby! Oh my God!
Like I was saying, you don't need to panic. You see, your husband will soon recover. He just took an overdose of it. But with the injection they have given to him, he will be fine.
Thank you so much, Dr. Fred. Thank you very much. I was so confused. I didn't know what to do.
You're welcome. I will have to be on my way.
Dr. Fred, if my husband's cupboard is empty, then why take drugs? Because I know Dave, he doesn't even take alcohol. But all this started from the moment I told him of my pregnancy report.
Laura, you don't have to worry. Your husband's cupboard is empty. There's nothing in it. Okay?
If you say so, you know I've always trusted and confided in you.
And I believe I worked so hard to earn that trust. I do not want you to shorten the lifespan of that trust. Let it live healthy in you, okay?
Okay.
I have to run along.
Okay.
Did you say something? Who? Hey, who is him? Atokokwamo. Him. Hey! Okasije. Him. Hey!
And she didn't mention anybody's name?
No, she only said him.
Don't you think this could be a spiritual problem?
I wanted to ask you something.
What is it?
How did this start?
I was at home when she came back, and all of a sudden she slumped. Just like that. Just like that.
Do you know any of her friends?
Jennifer is not good in keeping friends. It's just us.
Then who is him? Huh?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know. Can I see her?
Yes, she's inside.
Mama, this is getting worse. Hey, just look at her. It's getting worse every day. Jenny, I think she needs a spiritual attention.
What do you want me to do?
Jennifer, how are you?
Did you hear her? This is all I keep hearing. I want to see it. Eh? Hey! What because? Hey! Chimwebo.
Sorry. No.
Hey!
What are you doing here? Syria. You know, back then when we were in the university, you trusted me so much. One thing in particular, I did police. I know how I am. We are very, very trusting. But you betrayed me, not minding the trust. See, that does not answer my question, young man. Maybe, please, answer the question. Let's get into this. Any dead can keep secret.
Dave, why did you do this to me? Why? Where did I go wrong? Dave, I loved you. I promised myself that the man I was going to lose my virginity, my pride to, is someone whom I love.
Where is all this coming from?
Dave, I know you love me and I love you too. But why will you give my bride a precious gift prepared just for you to another man? Why?
See, Laura, as you can see, I'm just coming back. I am tired and worn out. I want to get in there and get some rest.
Dave, I've asked you this the other day. What brought Cyril to our house the night I lost my virginity? Cyril told me everything. And I'm so disappointed in you.
You promised not to lie to me.
I know this hurts so much.
You had to do what?
Laura, your husband is HIV positive.
What? My husband is what? How? When? No, wait, that's not even possible! Because I'm the only woman he knows!
So you see, your husband loves you so much. He loves you so much that he never wanted you to be infected with the syndrome. So he asked me to do it. Dave, why would you ever think of such? I mean, the thought of it alone is terrible. I love my wife, and I don't want to lose her for anything at all. But you think that would solve the problem? Now tell me, what is the greatest factor that can draw a happy marriage, a happy and a peaceful marriage to the mud? Tell me. I did it because of our friendship. Have you ever thought of what I came to do in your house on that fateful day?
heard it's painful. But I can't remember.
Yeah, because I tried my best to make you enjoy it.
No way! Serious? So you are the animal I lost my virginity to? So it was you? So what are you telling me now?
I want my baby.
You want your baby? Sorry, you want your baby? My God will punish you! Sorry, my God will punish you! My God will punish you! Stop!
Why did you do this to me? Where have I gone wrong? Why? What did I do to deserve this?
Baby, I am so sorry. I never knew it would come to this.
You think by not getting me infected will prove how much you love me? You think that's how you're going to prove your love? You would have told me and I would have accepted wholeheartedly. We would have had our own babies and trained them.
Baby, I'm
Who said that having HIV AIDS will stop you from having a normal life? Look, it's the mindset. It's your mindset and stigmatization that kills. But the syndrome is innocent.
I'm so sorry, baby. Please. I'm so sorry. I never knew it would come like this.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I can't live with a man who threw away my virginity into the thin air. My pride to a common friend, all in the name of trying to protect me from contracting the virus. I'm sorry, sweetheart.
Such a fine man.
What's your problem? Do I look like I have one?
I just can't wait to make him feel good under the blankets.
Forget this guy.
You're being boring right now.
Excuse me. Jennifer, what is it? What? Jennifer, it's unfair. It's unfair for you to do this. Don't forget you are positive. I mean, that guy is innocent and handsome. You don't have to do this.
I beg. Was I created this way? Someone shared it to me. So why should I not share it to others too?
I'm not in support of this. I mean, you can hurt everybody, but you can't get away from it. This guy is a good-looking guy. Just let me be.
I'm not good-looking too. See, babe, I beg, no spoil my mood. I am off. I'm going to meet him. Kill yourself.
Jennifer! Remember this face?
The girl I collided with at the supermarket some minutes ago.
That's right. And do you know any name by Jennifer?
Jennifer.
Hey. The medical report is out.
No, let's go. Please. Fred, any problem?
Dave, you have to be a man. I know you've done every necessary arrangement for this wedding. But it would be nice if you will back off.
What's the meaning of that?
Believe you are HIV positive. But your wife to be is not.
But I have not made love to another woman for a long time now. So how come?
Sex is not the only way to get infected.
But how?
Think. Just think.
Since I graduated from the university, I've not made love to any woman till I met my wife. And we ran tests together last year before I traveled to Hong Kong. So, how come?
Well, that is the least you can think of now. find a way to quit the wedding.
Come on, Fred. Come on. It's not possible. It can't be possible. It's not possible. No, it's not.
You have to think about it.
You. Jennifer.
Such a fine man.
Yes. She is the only one I've ever done it with.
Yes, she is.
Oh my God. Where is she? If I see Jennifer, I am going to strangle her. I am going to kill her.
Please, you've already done that.
She has ruined my life.
I know, okay? That's why I'm here. I'm here to ask you for forgiveness. Please forgive her. She really needs to see you.
Why does she want to see me? Why?
When we get to her village, you will see for yourself. Dave, please. Don't say no, please. Just do this for her. If not for her sake, for the sake of her mother, please. I beg of you.
Why did you do this to me? Why? Where is your mother?
I called her. She's on her way. She went to see a pastor. No, Jennifer, don't talk like this, please. Okay? Sorry. Jennifer. Jennifer! Jennifer! What's wrong with her? Jennifer!
She's gone.
No!
Who's there? You son of a bitch. You should be dead by now.
I am Detective Francis. You are under arrest for the attempted murder of Cyril Onyeke. Officer, touch him.
Yes, sir. For your pocket.
There's nothing in my pocket.
Keep silent! Anything you said will use against you in the court of law.
I found nothing, sir.
Handcuff him!
I'll move it. Move. I say you should move. Move faster.
Move!
Crocodile swallow fishes, but can never swallow an